Welcome back. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to make sure important private messages on Telegram never get missed by setting them as high-priority notifications. Sometimes regular notifications just aren't enough, especially if you're waiting for an important message. Luckily, Telegram gives you a simple way to boost alerts for private chats so they stand out immediately. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this might be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. From there, go into Settings. This is where all your customization options live. Next, tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls how alerts behave across the app. Now, look for Private Chats and tap on it. This is where you can fine-tune notifications specifically for one-on-one conversations. Inside Private Chats, find the option labeled Priority and tap on it. This setting determines how prominently your notifications appear on your device. You'll see a few options, but for maximum visibility, choose Urgent. This ensures that messages from private chats appear at the top of your notifications and grab your attention right away. Once you've selected Urgent, you're all set. Your Telegram private messages will now come through with higher priority, making it much easier to stay on top of important conversations. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you rely on Telegram for work, urgent updates, or staying connected with key people. Give it a try and see how much smoother your notification experience becomes.